Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel a subscription with Creative Fabrica. In order to do so, first off, here we are at creativefabrica.com, and what you're looking for is up at the top right hand corner. You'll see where it says My Profile, and if you hover over that with your mouse, you'll get a submenu that will drop down, and then from there you can select My Account. Once you click that, on the left-hand side, you're going to see a menu here, and about halfway down, you're going to see where it says Subscriptions. If you go ahead and click on that, then you'll see that here we have no active subscriptions, but once you have a subscription, then this is where that information is going to show up. We'll just go ahead and take a look over here at the subscriptions in the store, and you can see that there is a free trial with 10 downloads for free, and then from there you have the all access per month for $9, and then there's the yearly for $4.99 a month. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.